Hello viewers, yeah, it's Relic here. Today we're going to do another one for Slacky and Pez Perry. Yeah, we're going to do a chicken and spinach curry. Dead easy this. What you're going to need is I'm going to use red onions because that's all I've got. I normally use white, but 2 medium-sized red onions, a tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 normal tin, and we're going to use some good olive oil. Yeah, we like olive oil. We're going to use half a bag of fresh spinach. We're going to need a tablespoonful of this curry powder, and then we're going to need some turmeric, some chili powder, some fennel leaves, and maybe after half an hour we'll put in some garam masala. And Slacky, you're going to need these because we're chopping the chicken up. We've got 4 boned and skinned chicken thighs there. We're going to cut them into small pieces. Slacky, you're going to need a steady hand, fella. Right, at least one of them before you start. Okay. You're also going to need some garlic paste, or a full clove of garlic. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this garlic paste in. Yeah, you want 2 tablespoons of ginger paste as well. Right then, first job, let's get some oil in there. You want about half a cup of oil. Heat it up, you want it warm before you add your onions. We're going to put the onions in, and then we're going to put the tomatoes in, and then drop some spices in and break it down, okay? Right. Add your onions. You just cook them on a low light. I'm sure you can hear the oil's hot. Cook them on a low light. What I'm going to do now while these are softening is I'm going to very quickly, safely, Slacky, chop my chicken into small pieces, okay? Pull the tomatoes in with the onions. I'm going to rinse the tin out with a bit of water. Well, it's not what not, as my grandma used to say, okay? Bring that to the boil. Add 2 tablespoons full of garlic puree if you've got some. Four teaspoons of ginger paste. Try this before okay. We'll stir that in. Bring it to the boil. One teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. Okay. Stir these spices in, and I'm going to simmer on a low heat now. Put the lid on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I want these spices to cook. Okay, a tablespoon of curry powder. So I'm using the hot madras because I do like a kick in my curry. Okay, stir that in. As you can see, there's thickening up quite nicely now. That smells amazing. Cook that for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low light. You want your spices to cook in, and then we're going to add the chicken, and then add the chicken to the pan. High light, seal the chicken off, and then bring the light back down. Okay. Okay. Turn the heat up now. Got a nice thick paste there. I've chopped the chicken up into small chunks. I'm just going to stir this chicken around now until it's sealed. Right, lid back on, I'm going to simmer that for 15 to 20 minutes. Right, forgot. I'm just going to, a teaspoon of garam masala there. Okay. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm going to stir that in. Smells amazing, this, guys. Now we're going to simmer it for 20 minutes. While it's simmering now, I'm going to chop the spinach up. Okay. That might look like a lot of spinach, that, but it's not. Half of a bag, roughly chopped it. I'm just going to now make sure that I can cover all the spinach, all of it. With the curry sauce and the chicken. And I'm just going to simmer that for 20 minutes. Right viewers, I'm going to show you again how to do perfect rice. And Slacky, you're going to need another one of these, mate, okay? So steady your hand. You want 100 grams of I use long grain rice. And what you want is about 200 ml of water. Okay, a good pinch of salt. I'm using sea salt at the moment, and we're going to bring that to a boil, hard boil, and then leave it with no light, lid still on for 20 minutes, and you'll get a lovely texture on the rice. They call it al dente. It's going to be slightly firm on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. We're going to plate the rice up and then put the curry in the middle of it. Okay, we'll show you. This is for you, Slacky. Alright, so you can see now that the rice is boiling hard. You can tell by the steam coming out of the pan. We're just going to turn that heat off. I'll let it cook itself for 20 minutes. Perfect rice this, viewers. Slacky. Alright Slacky, this is for you, mate. This is how I do it. What I'll do now, Slackies, viewers, just make a nice little gap in the middle of my rice, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but it just looks better when you want to eat it. So, nice puddle there. I'm just going to fill that hole now with me, curry. Okay. And what Slacky can be easier than that? And don't forget your pint. Cheers now.